Version 4 of the Pioneer Smart Sync app was released in January of 2022. This is a free app from Pioneer that works on your Android phone or your iPhone. The Pioneer Smart Sync app can be used for navigation from your smartphone, and to check your messages, and for playing music from your favorite streaming service or podcast, and for browsing your music collection from a USB flash drive, and to control nearly any operation on your Pioneer in-dash receiver. Here are 5 things to know about the Pioneer Smart Sync app version 4. Number 5. If you use your phone for navigation or streaming music from your favorite music service or podcast, you want the Pioneer Smart Sync app. It gives you a full graphical user interface to operate the in-dash receiver. It's like having a full video screen receiver for the price of an audio-only receiver. Number 4. The Pioneer Smart Sync app works on many modern Android-based phones and modern iPhones. Download and install the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Just search for Pioneer Smart Sync and look for this app icon. Number 3. The Pioneer Smart Sync app works with many different Pioneer in-dash receivers from the past few years. There's nothing new to buy. Just look for this navigation arrow on the face of your Pioneer in-dash receiver. It might look like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. If your receiver has the navigation arrow, it'll work with Pioneer Smart Sync. Number 2. Be sure to update the firmware on your Pioneer receiver. The Smart Sync app has better Bluetooth connectivity and Bluetooth reconnection function than ever before. However, to get all the new benefits of the app, you need to get the latest firmware for your Pioneer in-dash receiver from pioneerelectronics.com. You can find a firmware upgrade link for many different receivers in the description below. And by the way, there is no cost to upgrade the firmware on your receiver. And the number 1 reason to get the Pioneer Smart Sync app? It's free. There's no cost to download and use the Pioneer Smart Sync app. Download and install the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Just search for Pioneer Smart Sync and look for this app icon.